Hi Leo, March month 2021 monthly horoscope you are going to see. It's excellent time for you can achieve for anything. This is a good time you want to do anything. Yes, in March Leo will have a very good time, very good time, and won't mind experience the change because they are feeling like renewal benefits them. There are an excellent stage that is starting for them. They will no longer live in peace and quiet. They but become energized as the stars will give them what it takes to get prepared for the month. They will expect good thing on levels, all levels, and yet they mustn't allow their enthusiasm and euphoria carry them away. The stars is going to be on their side from the beginning of the month when they will achieve great things at work. Coming to the highlights in March 2021, look 20 looks very busy for Leos who are willing to change their life and take many risks. Their efforts will be doubled. When it comes to work, you will be put in many situations which you can't be diplomatic. It's very likely you will tend to take sides if you wants others to see you as someone serious. In case you are able to resist such circumstances, you will come across and many new responsibilities and obligations that will help you attract and prosperity, especially from the projects you put on the hold. And now, excuse, sorry. Now you have decided to reactivate it. Coming to Leo, uh, personal and social life shouldn't be the bothered by the works. The natives must pay attention not to become exhausted by getting too busy. What's the most important is that they make plans. What their loved ones to have good time together. Coming to the romantic life, I don't have it. My God. See, you have strong feelings for the overwhelm you, and you also want to be in control for everything. But this until the 21st at the same time, you are very sensible and want to seduce as many people as possible to show them how visible you are to them and to satisfy and increase libido. Starting with the 22nd and further, the planet Venus in Aries is exalted to your liking, brings more color into your love life. If you want to keep on feeling like your partner in your accomplice, give importance to his own opinion, especially until March 15. After this date, you will be passionate but feeling stage because you have many contradictory inner feelings. Starting from the within the 22nd, things will be will go great. Put an emphasis on your dating opportunity, especially until 15th, and from the 22nd further. You will be very seductive and gain your friends' attention. And not to mention, as a person you weren't curious about, will become suddenly enchanting device. Communication is very important because it heals you on the inside. This month will be spoiling you as far as your relationships goes, but only if you are using your internal resources as much as possible. You are an open person, so enjoy all your exchanges. Coming to the career and finances horoscope. For you, March is very important in the fields of love and career. The two aspects of these two aspects of life are going to be intertwined and may bring you many beautiful surprises. Your focus will be on your work because you want success in career. For the time, will be collaborate with important people and passionate about climbing the social ladder. The collaborators are going to help you to do this and achieve you all your goals. The professional's life is going nowhere but up. Guys, my request is coming to between subscribe me guys, and what I'm doing that videos for you only. This is very important videos for the more useful to you. That guys, my request is subscribe me and please forward to friends and family members others one. Okay, coming to the in this one, starting with the 22nd will be the great. Put an emphasis on your dating opportunities, especially with the 15th, and from the 22nd further, you will be very selective and gain your friends' attention. Not to mention, a person you weren't curious about will become suddenly enchanting your eyes. Communication is very important because it heals you on the inside. Coming to the career and financial horoscope, for you, March is very important in the fields of love and career. I mean, the two aspects of life are going to be, already we told this one, intertwined and may bring to many beautiful surprises. Your focus will be on work because you want success in your career. Furthermore, you will collaborate with important people and passionate about climbing the social ladder. With collaborators are going to help you do this and achieve all the goals. The professional life is going to nowhere but up. You will be competitive no matter what you may be doing, and no person is going to stop you for completing your tasks. You likely Leos have spent too much in February. Their financial situation is not the good, either because they had some unexpected expenses or the Christmas presents they have bought are now being felt in their pocket. Yes, February may have left them without any money at all, so they will be very stressed in March about their financial situation. Things can be fixed though. The time period could be beneficial for you if you are looking to change your job. However, since you need to save some money and make sure you are not broke, you don't let the career changing obsession of your ruin an entire month. Coming to health is wealth. Jupiter's influences may increase Leo's appetite. But still, these natives are not usually prone to gaining weight. Either way, it's important to they take good care for their health. Leo ladies who happen to be pregnant will feel amazing. Leos won't any health issues most of March, but they still need to make sure their nervous system is protected. So, as if they don't eat, it's very likely for them to develop more or less serious nervous diseases, even after a minor argument. If they want to get back their sense of humor and feel energized, they need to sunbathi and to do some gentle physical exercise. So this is about total for this day, and thank you so much, Leo, and thanks for the great support, and thank you. Subscribe me.